Okay, hello and welcome back to my video. Today I'm gonna install ChromeOS Flex on this MacBook. Let's put the USB in and turn on. And now I have to spam Alt or Option. Yes, I'm spamming. Oh, I have to hold it, not spam. But it's the same, I think. Okay. I think it's like window. I think it's CFI boot. I think, I'm not sure. Yes, it's booting into ChromeOS. And I will see an installation environment. Okay, it's in. Yes, welcome to ChromeOS Flex. Okay, the touchpad doesn't work, so I have to find a mouse.
2,000 years later.
Okay, yes, I'm back with my gaming Razer mouse. Okay. Bro, it stopped working again. Okay, now, since my flashy mouse doesn't work, I have to use a basic Logitech wireless mouse. Oh. Okay, nice, close. Yes, that's good. Yes, I want to install. Install. Bro, I am tired. I can install Sequoia anyways, and Tahoe. But I'm not sure why the entire drive. Why not just like a partition? Maybe because if a normal person installs this, they don't even know what a partition is. So I think that's why. But it could give us the option at least. You know, it's installing and time-lapse time. Oh, it's complete already. Interesting. Okay, it's gonna restart and I have to remove the USB. Okay, I'll wait for this to end. Okay, it's rebooting. I hope it boots. Okay, yeah, it's booting. Welcome to ChromeOS Flex. Yes. No, the Wi-Fi doesn't work there. What? Wait, how do I continue without the Wi-Fi? Okay, Ethernet, I guess. Just to skip. Okay, I had to change the environment because I need the internet the whole time. Okay, for personal use. But please don't even... What? Yes, it's there. Checking for updates. But it said up to date. Like, oh my god, please no. Okay, I have to log in now. Next. Can I skip it? Okay, now. I have to log in. Okay, finally. Let's go down. Bro, go down. Yes, I accept, sure. Why not? Nope, I don't want to sync. But I think it will anyways. Okay, sure. Bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, yes. skip. Okay, sure, Gemini, yes. Okay, just skip. And yes, I'm here. No. Okay, so this is the ChromeOS Flex now. Let's go like to the web, the main thing of this, by the way. No. So it's just Google OS with Google Chrome. Oops. Okay, so this is an OS based on Linux. Oh, why is there a video from my drive? Can show the video. This is when I found an abandoned house somewhere near me. Can I set the quality or something? Okay, now there's not an option for this. But yes, this is expected to happen. Shoutings from Google Drive. Oh yeah, I went to the Drive section, of course it did. What if I try an APK, what's gonna happen? Okay, yes. It can't open APKs. What is this? Some notebook or whatever. Let's try Gemini. And how do I update on this? Do I seriously go to the web store or something? Probably. But I see that things are not updated. So go to the settings. Okay, there is update. And where do I update other things? Maybe in settings. Well, about. Okay, and firmware is also up to date. No sticks, okay. What if I go to the additional settings? Stay. Oh, I can go to the developer too. Power wash. What a good name for the reset. Your device. What if I go like to the maps? Does GPS work? Let's zoom out a bit. Or like layers and satellite. I like this more. Let's go to like France. Paris. Okay, this 3D I think. How do I actually go 3D? Or maybe it isn't 3D. And I see the logo has changed when I open it. If I go like to... where is his logo changed already? Like YouTube, it's a little more purplish, I think. Okay, here's YouTube.
This $100 phone advertises 8 gigs of RAM, but underneath it, it says 4 plus 4 gigs of RAM. So which one is it? In reality, this phone only has 4 gigs of RAM. The other number is what we call swap memory, which is just your phone borrowing some of its internal storage.
Okay, yes, YouTube. If I go like to the Gemini app. Yeah, sure, chat. Hi. Okay, Gemini works. The logo is still the old one. I see. Okay, it's just like ChromeOS Flex on this, not that special. And what is this now? Chrome, okay, canvas, I see. Yes, shut down. And I hate this thing so much. Bye.